Okay, so we are live. So today, LinkedIn Local is meetings to network and again get to know each other, reacquaint, and build a good, trusting relationship. Right? So let's get started. So Ruchi, over to you.
Hi everybody, this is Ruchi Sharma. I belong to an army background. I'm an army officer's wife in the field of education for the past 25 years and now running my own preschool by the name of Bloomingdale School in Eldeco 1. So any queries related to kids between the age group of 2 to 5, I'm available. And of course, looking forward to some networking at this present time, if people could help us out with the admissions, with the queries, with the parents have, because we are facing a lot of problem with Surbi and I just discussed before we started the meeting. So that's it. And any help related to kids, I'm available for that. Thank you.
So when you said you are looking for some help, can we just talk about it since I said a couple of minutes with each one of us. So can we be a little specific? And Rachita, can you be the timekeeper, please? So that we
Please.
don't
So
go more
each
than
person,
2 to 3 minutes.
so what is the allocated time then?
2 to 3 minutes.
Perfect,
Matlab,
right.
nothing very, so that
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can make sure that we cover everybody.
So I just put my thumbs up, guys, when you're crossing the time limit. Is that fine?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Stop interrupting, huh?
Yes.
So I've already spoken quite a bit. Help in the sense, basically, I'm looking forward to, getting admissions. Obviously, in preschools, it has become a little tough. And with parents during this time having this sense of insecurity of sending children back to the school. And obviously, some kind of a media coverage, advertisements. If anybody could be of help, I'll be
I think
grateful.
connect with Swapnil, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is the time for social media and being very transparent,
Yeah, the
very
main
visible.
problem that we are facing is, see, the age group we are dealing with is 2 to 5 years, and parents, as it is, are fed up of giving mobiles to children for such a long time. And if we go in for these online classes with these kids, they are having problems of making children sit in front of a
Yeah.
computer or a mobile, and they are not just not keen. So we've been trying to do it with audios, videos,
Yeah.
and sending them
See,
worksheets.
one thing, because I've been working in e-learning for a very long time, is don't replicate whatever you're doing in your class into online. Doesn't work. E-learning is not about that.
Yeah, yeah,
So whatever you have been doing in a classroom, I mean, I'm sure it has been after 3 महीने हो चुके हैं सब लोग, everybody has figured it out.
yeah.
But the idea is not to replicate it. So 5 hours बैठा के बच्चे, especially 2 to 5, तो
Not
सवाल ही नहीं होता है.
possible.
Not
Not
even
possible.
possible. So yes, offline resources and everything is the way forward.
Yeah,
In
that's
terms
what.
of admission, because your area is different, I don't know whether I can help. But if you post anything on Facebook, make sure that you share the link with us anywhere you are posting anything so that we can comment and share. And I think Swapnil will be the right person to actually throw some light. And I think Girish is here as well. I'm just looking for all the technical people. That जितना आप हम लोग एक दूसरे पे कमेंट करेंगे, लाइक्स करेंगे, तो हमारा वो बूस्ट होता है. I mean, this
उतनी
is
वो
all
रीच
organic.
बढ़ेगी.
हाँ,
Right,
reach बढ़ेगी.
right. Very
So
true.
don't be, I mean, right now I have said that because we really need to come up with a support system. Please share things on, when you post something, not everything, of course, you'll have to select which one, but post if you need help, even if it's something which you think that indirectly can help you, please do post about it and ask all of us. We can all help in some way. I mean, I am a preschool owner as well, so I know the challenges. All right, great.
Thanks.
Anybody else has to say anything? We can do this like no couple of minutes with each one of us, and then we move on to the next one because रात end में questions याद नहीं रहेंगे. No? Okay. How long did we take, Rachita?
About 3 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
So I
Right.
shall continue with this after the first one.
Yes. Yes.
Is it okay?
Girish. Yes.
So
Girish.
few thoughts. I've posted one of the questions in the group itself. So
Big
recently, what happened? Yeah. So recently, what happened? So I was having a couple of good clients, the national clients, and they were like we were having upgradations, developments, etc., etc. And now the situation is such. that they do not want to leave us because everything is online. Number two, they do not have revenue to pay us. So this is a catch kind of a situation. But still,
Girish, before you do that, can you tell about yourself as well? Because
okay,
there are
so
some new members we have.
okay, so my name is Girish Mathur. Recently, I've started two new businesses. Of one is renting the toy, which is not working out right now because renting is nothing like renting is not possible. Second was financial software, which we have developed for stock market traders, and that is going well. We have launched after Corona and could see that there's a spike in traders because everybody is sitting at home and trying to earn something. So, stock market trading software is something which is hype as of now. But my initial work was I'm the owner of Sri Technocrat, which is basically develops software for educational and financial teams and IIT Madras, then NIT Allahabad, Lucknow University, then many national colleges are my client. So what happened? This the question that comes right now that I posted in the group was for one of the institute of Jawaharlal Nehru, Bangalore. So what they had after the admission of students is completed, they generally call all the students to their institute to have an written test to get qualified. But abhi situation kya hua? Nobody is able to come to their place. So what they decided to have an online like online test and online examination. So उनके पास भी एक ये जो similar catch है that they do not have much revenue to pay us. Number one, even though they are a government institute, but they do not want to over budget their complete admission process. And second, they have to do online process because the limitation of people traveling to Bangalore. So that's why the question comes ki what is you people are doing, the other IT solution, the digital provider solution are doing that I'm facing currently. But apart from that, there's something new. आप लोग ने नाम सुना होगा, अपूर्व ने डाला भी है, डाकिया नाम पे एक ऐप लॉन्च हुआ है लखनऊ में, which basically transfer anything to anywhere. So वो हम लोग ने लॉन्च किया था, मैंने नहीं लॉन्च किया था, we were the developer of that app. And हमारे client ने इसको launch किया and they are clocking like 100 deliveries per day as of now. So उन्होंने काफी books वालों के साथ tie up किया है. तो अगर Universal से book किसी के पास आती है तो वो डाकिया वाली डिलीवर कर रहे हैं. तो कुछ अच्छी खबरें हैं हम IT वालों के लिए एंड कुछ बुरी खबरें हैं कि बजट नहीं है जो जिसको हम लोग वी कैन सर्व. सो अल्टीमेटली दैट इज हैम्परिंग अवर क्वालिटी, बट क्वालिटी तो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, बट एक कंफ्यूजन स्टेट है सारे डेवलपर्स के अंदर कि आगे क्या होगा. नेचुरल है कि ये आईटी इंडस्ट्री भी ग्रो करेगी बिकॉज राइट नाउ सब कुछ आईटी है, बट अगेन एक बैक ऑफ द माइंड कंफ्यूजन स्टेट सकता है. तो ये मेरे कुछ पॉइंट्स थे which other IT people can also discuss कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं इस situation में.
Girish, I am not from IT, but I have a similar kind of this thing. I'm into recruitment. So you know what is happening in recruitments these days, right? Most companies are laying off. Forget about having a budget. They are just laying off people like anything. So practically, and जो companies are not laying off, they've also gone in for salary cuts. They've all gone in for recruitment freeze. ऐसा नहीं है हर जगह, but most of the companies is
Right.
they're going this way. So what I've done is, since we were specializing a lot on startup, we were working a lot for startup. So as of now, startups have gone really, they have a cash crunch, to
Right.
either sustain their current business or, so at this point of time, only you should have a sensitive side just to ensure that your business is sticking as well as their business is sticking. It is not bad to compromise on the revenue, on your service charges at this point of time for the time being, because for entrepreneurs, you'll believe staying alive is most important for this particular year. Absolutely. I think so profit and growth can always happen. So that is a mantra that I've adopted for myself. So just in case it helps, maybe in your IT also.
Yeah, so what we have done, so basically if we are not earning, then we are not we are not paying our salaries to our developers. So I have taken a mid path. I have requested them that there won't be a salary cut, but there will be a reduced salary for like 2 or 3 months, and that will be compensated in later months. So everybody is accepted because they also know that this is a tough time, and
I think
if
it's
we are getting
it's time that people empathize with each other. I mean, the
Yeah.
companies which you're saying, uh, they are in a very difficult position as well. They have large number of employees. हम लोग तो छोटे से उसमें कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
And
I would just
again,
like to add something if
yeah, please.
Hi Girish.
Yeah, please.
So I can just
Swapnil.
completely
अच्छा स्वप्निल, बाय द वे बहुत अच्छी साइट बनी है वो, मैंने शुरू में कमेंट कर दिया है. वो एक होता है ना कीड़ा होता है आईटी वाला,
वो है वो एक्चुअली हमको पता है कि उसमें क्या क्या चीजें हैं, बट वी स्टिल
इट इज लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत अच्छी चल रही है. मोरओवर मोबाइल में जब चलाते हैं तो इट इज लोडिंग फास्ट, कपल ऑफ थिंग्स जो आपने ध्यान रखना
बाकी
बहुत अच्छा है.
ट्वीकिंग तो अभी ऑनगोइंग है, एज यू नो. बहुत सी चीजें हम लोग को कल भी तो वो सब हो
प्लीज
जाएगा.
आप कंटिन्यू, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
So I was saying is, you know, coming from kind of a similar background, हमारे पास भी ये सेम इश्यूज थे. इनफैक्ट अभी मैंने दिसंबर में आई शिफ्टेड टू अ मच बिगर ऑफिस. सुरभि एंड रचिता जी हैज कम देयर, तो दे हैव कम देयर. तो उसके बाद क्या था कि जब ये लॉकडाउन होने के बाद हम लोग ने यू नो वी वर स्टक कि किस तरह से काम करना है. सो इनिशियली यही दिमाग में था कि सैलरी कट करें कि क्या. एंड यू नो एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू लुक एट योर एम्प्लॉयज के ऊपर कि वो कैसे अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं. चलिए वी बीइंग द बिजनेस ओनर एक डिफरेंट हमारी इश्यूज हैं. सो पहले जो मंथ था लॉकडाउन के बाद वी डिसाइडेड कि ठीक है विल डू हाफ डे हाफ सैलरी. तो ये मैंने सबको सजेस्ट किया कि लेट्स सी कि क्या होता है, किसी को खराब ना लगे. तो उसमें भी हाफ सैलरी नहीं थी. वी हैड पुट अ ब्रैकेट जो वी वर पेइंग एवरी बडी द सेम अमाउंट, बट द आवर्स वर रिड्यूस. फिर आई वाज टॉकिंग टू मेनी पीपल, हमारे बिजनेस एसोसिएट उस समय कुछ नए बने ऑफलाइन वाले लोग थे, वो डिजिटल की तरफ आए. तो दे वांटेड टू, तो ये सजेस्ट हुआ कि डोंट रिड्यूस द आवर्स एंड यू मेक देम वर्क फुल टाइम. बिकॉज क्या था उस टाइम पे इंक्वायरीज भी बढ़ गई. तो क्या हो रहा था कि हम हाफ डे काम कर रहे हैं, इंक्वायरीज आ रही हैं बाद में, लेट्स से 12-1 बजे के बाद, तो वो मिस हो रही थी. फिर नेक्स्ट मंथ से हमने क्या कि वी हैव डन लाइक फुल डे हमने कर दिया सबके लिए, बट देन वी रिड्यूस द सैलरीज बाय 30%. And this was told to everyone कि this is the scenario, you know either you can take it or leave it. If you do not wish to work, तो आप ब्रेक ले लो, जब खुलेगा then if you want you can join, but this is a scenario अभी के लिए.
Right.
सब लोगों ने they agreed because market situation as रचिता जी said इतनी खराब है कि forget about कि कोई जाके you know छोड़ के जाना भी नहीं चाहेगा, कहीं और ज्वाइनिंग भी नहीं हो रही है. हमारे जितने क्लाइंटेल हैं, बड़े बड़े क्लाइंट्स हैं, सब
छोड़ के नहीं जा रहे हैं या
जी.
फिर कहीं और डिमांड जनरेट नहीं हो रही है.
हाँ, बड़े बड़े क्लाइंट्स मैं बता रहा हूँ नेशनल लेवल. सो हीरो मोटोकॉर्प इज वन ऑफ आवर मेन क्लाइंट एंड वी वर द ओनली डिजिटल पार्टनर्स फॉर देम. उनके दे हैड 125 वेंडर्स थ्रू आउट इंडिया. एंड अभी उनकी नेशनल मीटिंग हुई आफ्टर द फाइनेंशियल ईयर जो खत्म हुआ, एंड दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू अवे विद ऑल देयर नेशनल वेंडर्स जो उनके 125 थे, एंड दे आर ओनली कीपिंग ओनली 27 वेंडर्स, जिसमें वी बीइंग द ओनली वन डूइंग डिजिटल वी आर इंक्लूडेड. उसके बाद से वी गॉट इंक्वायरीज फ्रॉम लाइक एवरीवेयर. तो वो मंथ था जब लोगों ने 30% तक कट करके काम किया, बट उससे जो निकल के आया, नाउ वी आर इन अ सिचुएशन कि ऑलमोस्ट डबल हो गया काम. तो जब हम ऑफिस खोलेंगे तो जो हम काम करते हैं ऑलमोस्ट डबल. तो वो चीज़ अब हम कॉम्पनसेट करेंगे. तो इन दिस टाइम वी हैव गॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू नो कि जो आपके पास सैलरी लोग थे या स्टाफ था, उसमें से कौन से लोग एक्चुअली थे जो अचीवर्स थे, जिन्होंने आउट ऑफ द वे जाके काम किया है, एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स काम किया है, बिना ये जानते हुए कि यार मुझे तो कम मिल रहा है क्यों, या संडे है ऑफ होना चाहिए. सो ये टाइम भी हमें मिल गया जिसमें पता लगा दीज आर द पीपल हु विल गो लॉन्ग वे. वो भी हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया. कुछ लोगों को हमने बीच में जो काम नहीं किया उनको हटा भी दिया. सो इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को आप डिफरेंट तरीके से आप देख सकते हो. और क्लाइंट्स की मैं बता रहा हूँ, because we keep on doing these seminars with many agencies throughout India. सबके सिचुएशन है, छोटी बड़ी जितने भी हैं. इस समय आप कोई भी क्लाइंट हैं अगर आपके पास एग्जिस्टिंग, आप थोड़ा उनके साथ एम्पथाइज करिए कि दे आर ऑल्सो, अगर उनके पास पैसे नहीं होंगे, बजट नहीं हो तो कैसे. तो उस समय आप अपनी सर्विस कॉस्ट जो है वो रिड्यूस कर दीजिए, आप अपने डिलीवरेबल्स भी रिड्यूस कर दीजिए. तो लेट्स से इफ यू आर डिजाइनिंग सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट, एक्स नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट है तो वो कम कर दिए. एंड क्लाइंट उससे ओके है, बट काम किसी का रोकना नहीं जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल टू पे।
Right, right.
जिसके साथ भी आपने एक हेल्पिंग हैंड दिया, वो उस चीज को अंडरस्टैंड करेगा और आगे
बिल्कुल।
जैसी चीजें नॉर्मल होंगी वो
It will really help.
कंटिन्यू। प्लस दे विल आल्सो गिव गुड रेफरेंसेस। हमारे पास रेफरेंस से बहुत काम आता है कि यार मतलब
काम तो असली रेफरेंस से ही आता है, मैंने देखा है।
जो एक्सपीरियंस
आई थिंक आप दोनों को अलग से भी एक बार बात करनी चाहिए।
आई वाज ट्राइंग टू जस्ट हेल्पिंग
No, 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 no.
No, no, I
Actually,
understand.
the reason I'm intervening is Kirti is leaving. Kirti, you're there. So before you go, can you just say hello to everyone? Kirti, she was just there. She just messaged me.
I think she's
Yeah.
in car.
Yeah,
I have to
yeah.
go somewhere urgent.
Yeah, yeah.
actually.
So just say hello to everyone. Introduce yourself. आपका
Yeah.
तो इस वक्त काम इस वक्त बंद ही होगा एक तरीके से।
नहीं, we have started with lot of precautions, with new
Yay.
protocols and all. We
You
have
need to
started
tell
our
everybody
work.
first of all you what to do.
By profession, I'm a dentist. Some people know and some I'm telling. I'm a dentist. I'm practicing in Mahanagar. Okay? If anybody has any problem related to teeth, related to oral cavity, I should say, anybody can ask me. Anybody can teleconsultation from me. Now we are working with different protocols, but still, this meeting was important for me because I am like zero in digital marketing. As I heard कि मीडिया का जमाना हो गया है और अब सबको अपने आप को प्रमोट करना पड़ेगा थ्रू मीडिया, तो आई रियली वांट कि मेरे को इस चीज के लिए हेल्प चाहिए, हाउ टू प्रमोट माई सेल्फ इन सोशल मीडिया.
So maybe we can do a session about digital media in general, and then anybody who needs specific help, of course, the services they can hire, as there are a lot of people in the group as well.
Yeah.
So we can always do that, but let's do something which is based on how to market this post-COVID time. So maybe next Sunday or something like that.
Yeah, sure. I would like to be a part of that.
Surbhi, let's keep it open for guests also. Just a suggestion. So there are a lot of people, I think, outside. So people from the group
हाँ,
will benefit and
अब
get clients.
वेबसाइट बन रही है, अब मैं करवाऊंगी. I need new members, guys. By the way, that's my thing which I
You
need.
never know. People from outside might just get
Or
interested.
one more thing.
So
Being
But to
Indian,
start with,
being a IT, you guys are all IT. I want कि आप कुछ Indian app के through इस meeting को करें, not using this Zoom app.
नहीं प्लीज उसके लिए मुझे माफ करिए, क्योंकि मेरे पास Zoom मैंने पे कर रखा है उनको, बहुत सिक्योर कर रखा है, और कुछ दिन अभी इसी पे रहने दीजिए. जब कोई अच्छा इंडियन ऐप मुझे मिल जाएगा ऑल्टरनेटिव, विल शिफ्ट ऑन दैट.
Okay, that's fine.
अभी मैं इसलिए आपसे माफी मांग रही हूँ. हाँ, इसलिए माफी मांग रही हूँ क्योंकि I have kind of worked it out. It's all very secure and I don't let anybody come in the meeting till the time I know them. So बाकी तो IT है तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Okay, everybody.
security,
I'm saying bye to everybody.
security
See
तो
you
हर
next
किसी की
Sunday.
compromise है.
हाँ exactly.
Privacy तो हर किसी की compromise है till the time you are downloading any app.
पे आप अपनी details
मुझे विनोद की आवाज आ रही थी, लेकिन I was trying to find out the screen का. Yes, security. तो I think इस वक्त, see, we don't get to hear a lot of things about Google is because we Google everything, right? Google controls Google.
Yeah. No, even if you are having a mobile, you are not secure.
No,
Through your mobile, all tracking are there.
सिक्योर होना है तो वो जो नोकिया का महीने भर में चार्जिंग वाला जो फोन होता है ना, वो यूज करिए. You'll be very almost secure.
You should not have smartphone only.
Yes.
But when you watch Hollywood movies, then you realize you're not secure at all.
So even a law minister, Ravi Shankar Prasad, even he's put up a competition which is there on Twitter, if you go and see, to make an Indian app as good as Zoom. And 1 crore is supposed to be the prize money.
It's the price for the data center is going to be very enormous. मतलब it's just not the technology. इसमें technology तो है, लेकिन वो data centers बनाना is just I don't think startup के लिए feasible है किसी भी.
But I think आज की डेट में काफी कुछ data centers बनने लगे. Even लखनऊ में मैंने देखा कुछ लोग छोटे data centers ना start कर दिया लोगों ने. तो पहले वो खुद कर मतलब छोटा सा कर रखे थे, अभी now they started spreading that thing.
चलिए, before we get too technical, क्योंकि ये सब interest मुझे भी आता है. Who's next? I think we should get the new member Pooja, because she's been very silent and she must be like thinking what are we talking about. Pooja, and I think Isha is come for the first time.
Yes. Creativity now.
And I can see
I-
Veena has come as well there. Good.
I was really enjoying everybody speaking, and I was enjoying.
We'll enjoy yours.
uh, though my work is not that such hampered, but it's going on. I'll introduce myself first. Uh, I'm Pooja Batas, and I have a studio called Tana Bana. Today, like seeing at the situation, today's situation, we have started making masks, and we've started doing things for the people like scarves and all for the women, and I'm supplying them. Abhi I've started, as courier service is available, so I've started delivering the stuff.
Maybe you can use Dakia.
Yeah, I got that. I'll do that.
Yeah,
In fact, that will help me.
definitely.
Cross promote each other.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah. So you need to send some, like, no, not lot of pictures, just couple of pictures in the group. So we
Okay,
need to know, because I think the other thing which you need to do is get active on social media, right? Yeah.
I'll be the.
आप है नहीं social media पे शायद.
No, she's there.
I
नहीं,
am there.
I'm talking about Tana Bana, because right now we're
Oh.
talking about work, right?
Yeah, you can say that.
Yeah, so maybe because I was trying to tag you when I did the Mask for Medics thing. I couldn't find your page.
You couldn't find my page. I'll send you my link. I have my page.
Send in the group
Yeah.
as well, and
Yeah,
we'll
I'll
make
do
sure that
that.
we
Send in
like.
the chat right now.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Great. Any other help which we can do?
No, I'm really enjoying you people talking. In
So
fact.
let's just keep entertaining you then. All
No,
right.
no, no.
Who's next then? Anwar, आप भी पहली बार आए. Let's get the newbies ना.
Yeah, sure.
We get
Okay.
this feeling of नए वालों को बुलाते हैं.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hi
My
everyone. This is Anwar.
Airtel guy. Yes.
Yeah. So basically, I'm from Lucknow, and my association with the city has been through a school by the name of Lamartine, which I'm sure many people must be aware of. And partly I've studied in Missouri, and then I came back to do my here. And I've been a corporate person, and I've been working with all the corporates basically, and spent the last 20 years with telecom. And presently, I'm a business associate of Bharti Airtel. So I run a business which is a store which is close to Vikas Nagar, and from there we are dealing with all kinds of products which Airtel deals with, may it be DTH or mobile connections, data connections, lease lines, or various other data services that we have. And the way I could help you and you could help me is that people who are using an operator which is besides Airtel, so we could actually think of giving a good proposition to them, and people who are already using Airtel and they might be incurring a big bill that is coming to them, so I could help them to reduce their costs. So that's the way we could so help out each other in generating business and helping you all out. That's about it. Thank you.
Thank you. There's some new service which Airtel has started, right? About telephone or something, like not like the landline with internet or Wi-Fi telephone, something like that. Because I'm an Airtel user, they keep messaging me for different things.
It's a
What is
Wi-Fi
that?
calling. So in case if in your set we have a Wi-Fi calling option, if you put that on and you have a Wi-Fi at home, then that signal will get boosted on its own and you'll get a better clarity in your voice.
Oh,
For
so
people who are having poor
I would
coverage.
love to know more about it, because
We can do that offline.
Yeah, I'll do that on one-to-one, because
Sure.
as you have, I have said to you many times, I don't get any connection at my home.
I think I'm more in touch with your dad than you.
Yeah, my dad. I gave Anwar's number to my father once, and now I think weekly calls jati.
No, I'm perfectly fine with it.
I'm so sorry about that.
Not at all, not at all. I really appreciate helping him out.
So thank you so much, Yubi, and he has
You're
been
welcome.
very, very helpful on a lot of occasions. So anytime anybody has any Airtel query, I mean, I have seen him always, like, extending an helping hand, even though
But
this is the first time you're coming.
But I'd like to say one thing.
Yes.
I mean, I'm not trying to hurt anyone. कि मतलब लिखा जाता है बहुत बड़ा, but when I get into the fact we raise the issue, it doesn't come to me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So sorry.
So
So
my point is, then
Yeah.
do give me the issue if you have an issue.
yeah,
That's the
yeah,
point.
yeah. No, I have been very good at pestering you.
That's perfectly fine. Thank you.
So I have made sure that you follow it through and everything, and I'm giving you update as well. कि नहीं ठीक हुआ या हो गया. So
Yeah, that's always good to have a feedback, you know, so you're clear
Yeah.
as to if you've actually done your work or not.
right, absolutely. So Isha, are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
I'm trying to find the people in ascending order होगा कि descending order होगा वीना जो नए join करे.
I've just joined in.
Yes. Yeah. So please, all to you.
Yeah. Hi everyone. It's Isha Khera. I'm running a business, a restaurant business in Chalk itself. I heard everyone talking about IT and their problems, what the issues are coming up in IT company. Same with the restaurant also. It's a big issue for us. It's a bread and butter for me, and right now it's a big problem. We could not open the restaurant. And when it's opening up also, then we have a particular time, 7 to 7, and where the business is like nothing. So it's a quite difficult time for us. But yes, we are looking for opportunities. We are working on it. And we are looking for investors also. So it's a hard time for us. But yes, I'm a government employee also. So my bread and butter is going on with a government salary also anyhow. That is how it's all working. But yes, it's a very difficult situation for an entrepreneur right now.
Is there any way we can help? I mean, I know it's a vegetarian restaurant, so I cannot order food from there.
So then I can help.
I
no?
can help.
I can. I can.
I had this discussion with Isha earlier. मैंने कहा, oh, vegetarian है? Okay. And I
Now
don't-
we have changed. Sorry for the interrupt. Now we have changed.
Okay.
Our menu is going to be changed, but we are looking for an opening time. We need a proper opening time as we usually have. So the menu is now pure vegetarian, and plus non-veg is also coming up.
Wonderful,
the
Survi.
huge change is coming. Now we have 2 kitchens because my restaurant is next to the temple, Guneshwar temple. So we can't go for a non-veg with that. So we have now 2 kitchens, and one is for a pure vegetarian and one is for non-veg. So yes, let's see how it goes. First, we need a approval from the government. We need get a proper time to open it. That's a fine done restaurant, so that's the biggest challenge for us right now.
Are you delivering, Isha? Are you delivering food or not yet?
Not yet, because anyhow the costing, if you are coming up employee and the fooding, their place for their living, everything, we could not survive with this situation. So right now nothing. We are totally entirely closed. But yes, we are getting up with a meeting with our investments. It's in Chalk, so now we are looking for more branches also. But let's see how the government come up with their policies. So all the things is depending upon the government right now. What policy and what rules regulations they give us to us.
So is government not allowing Swiggy or Zomato towards stock area?
They are allowing, but if I'm delivering like 100 thalis, if you take an example, and one thali approximately costing me 100 rupees, I'm paying 60% to Zomato and Swiggy, and then rest of money is coming to the electricity, fooding for the employees. So nothing is, it's all minus. Then it's useless to open it. Then.
Let us know if there's any other way we can help.
So I'll just interrupt in between, Isha ji. So my client, which is running Dakia, they will be soon coming up with a option. Actually, they have tied up with a classic restaurant in Mahanagar and
Okay.
one more restaurant I'm not remembering. So what they are doing, Hazelnut in Nirala Nagar. So they have tied with them, and they are delivering the food packets, and they are charging like minimum amount of. They are just charging the delivering cost, and they are not charging you some percentage or commission. So that would be really great for you if you can get in touch with them. So they will be only charging like 30 rupees or 40 rupees, whatever the kilometer charges are there, and they will be delivering your food. If you want to start like just
But
an
do you all think that in the current scenario, people will order online food with such a situation?
No, but I think somewhere they'll start. Maybe not initially that kind of order, but somewhere
like
they'll
you can
start.
actually you can
Food
have your
business,
presence basically. You can have your presence. Rest well, it depends upon the demand and supply basically. But I'm just giving you an example. If you like Zomato and Swiggy are taking almost 50% of commission. So if you
Yeah.
want, you can just
Apart
take
from
their
this,
delivering service.
sorry for that. Apart from all this, personal, I know Zomato, Swiggy, how they works. They are not hygienically so much, especially their employees, because they are running here and there. And with this scenario, we don't want to take a risk also. So that is a basic reason also.
Okay, I mean, let us know when there's anything which we can contribute, and of course, you know Girish now. So if you want to connect offline and to take it further, there's at least you know about it, right? Okay, so I made a list of people now. Who goes next? Sangla, do you want to go?
Yeah, hi. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hi. Myself, Sangla Dikshit, and I am a HR professional for last 10 to 12 years in my own company, that is Sigma Tradings, and that's an outdoor advertising company. We basically deal with the advertisements of the home, all the billboards, the boards, kiosks, whichever you see on the roadside, as well as airport advertising. That is like Lucknow Airport also, whatever displays you see on the Lucknow Airport, plus the other four or five airport also we have to our city. So yeah, lockdown has been not very good for our industry, like many other industries, but patiently we are all coping up and finding out ways to deal with the companies, the problems which everybody is facing, especially for the staffing. I had been listening to all the comments for how to take care of the staff, the employees, their payments. So that is how we are also not laying off anyone right now. Yeah, salary cut is there, and we have also ensured people as and when we get back to our business, maybe after lockdown, some government budgeting is there for the advertisement also. So once we are back into the business, we will be taking care of the salary pay cuts which we have done for the month of April and May. Rest, yeah, we are also looking into.
Yeah, what can we do? The community, what can we do for you?
We can just have the word about everyone, yeah, Sigma Tradings, about the company which we are doing, as well as we are also looking into the digital options, and I'm learning more about this, the same in this group also. So for me, it's going to be an insight to diversify myself somewhere. Thank you so much for that.
Absolutely.
I'll definitely get in touch with you, Sangla, then once it starts.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Really.
So we'll have the Bloomingdale somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere.
Yeah.
Because
That will
airport
be
is
really
closer
very,
to my place.
Yeah. I'll also get in touch with you. Our awesome
yeah,
LinkedIn
thank-
local somewhere. कहीं भी हमें
You done
सस्ता
my
सा
job.
दिला दीजिएगा.
Sasta is the most important word.
सस्ता सा LinkedIn
I will
local
be-
के लिए
I
भी
will-
लगवा दीजिएगा कहीं पे.
फन के सामने वाली एलईडी पे चलवाते हैं लिंक्डइन की.
Definitely. No point.
I think government आ जाएगी मेरे घर पे कहाँ से लाई यहाँ.
सुरभि, LinkedIn लोकल का बोर्ड तुम्हारे घर के ऊपर ही लगवाएंगी सांगला, देखना.
I'll save a lot of rental cost. मेरे छत पे लगा दो, आधे लखनऊ को तो ऐसे ही दिख जाएगा.
Yes.
And we should promote local is vocal, you know.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
LinkedIn local is very vocal, definitely.
Yeah.
So that I have certainly made my mantra. Local is vocal. Not buying anything.
Same here.
Yeah. So anything we can do for each other, this is the time to talk about it. So anyways, moving on, who goes next? Shishir has been very silent और बहुत दिन बाद पकड़ में आए हैं. So
नहीं, मैं देख रहा हूँ काफी एक्टिव लोग हैं और
आप आते ही नहीं हो तो
मैं
हम
बस
क्या
ये-
बताएं, हम लोग तो एकदम सुपर एक्टिव रहते हैं.
आज मैंने इसीलिए बहुत टाइट कर रखा था कि आज जरूर ज्वाइन करूंगा. सुबह से टाइट कर रखा था कि आज करूंगा ही करूंगा. मैं बस यही कहूंगा, लॉकडाउन जरूर चल रहा है लेकिन सब लोग अपना कनेक्शंस जरूर मजबूत रखें. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिजनेस हो नहीं रहा. और अगर मैं पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस की बात में बताऊं तो कनेक्शंस मेरे इधर डेवलप हुए हैं और नए भी, और बिजनेस भी हुआ है. आपको मार्केट को सिनेरियो को देख के थोड़ा बहुत चेंज तो करना ही पड़ेगा, और वो मैंने किया है और मुझे भी फायदा हुआ है तो दूसरों को भी होगा. बस यही कहूंगा, चाहे वो वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट हो, चाहे वो रेस्टोरेंट हो, और चाहे वो कुछ भी हो.
शिशिर अपने को
कुछ चीजों
इंट्रोड्यूस
पे
भी
जरूर
कर
सोचना
दीजिए.
पड़ेगा कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करके बिजनेस आप कर सकते हैं. और मैंने सबसे बड़ी चीज है रिलेशनशिप मेंटेनेंस. रिलेशनशिप अगर आप मेंटेनेंस करते हैं, नए रिलेशनशिप डेवलप करते हैं, नो डाउट. अगर मैं लिंक्डइन लोकल की ही बात करूं तो मुझे लगता है शायद 2 महीने में कम से कम 25 से 30 नए लोगों के साथ मैंने बिजनेस किया होगा जो कि लिंक्डइन लोकल में ही है, जिनसे मेरी कभी बात नहीं हुई. नो डाउट मैंने तो
इसको
बहुत
नोट कर लिया जाए स्वप्निल, ये होर्डिंग में जाए.
जरूर अप्रिशिएट
शिशिर जी
करूंगा.
ने
ये टेस्टिमोनियल में जाएगा.
बचा लिया.
ये टेस्टिमोनियल
सुरभि
में
को
जा रहा है.
टेस्टिमोनियल मिल गया.
डेफिनेटली.
इसकी
मतलब
clip
यहाँ
में
भी देखो गिरीश बैठे,
GIF बनाऊंगी मैं.
गिरीश के साथ मैंने काम किया,
ओके.
और भी लोगों के साथ मैंने
मुझे पता लग गया था जैसे मुझे ईमेल्स आने लग गए.
तो थोड़ा वो चेंज करके. मैं अभी विनोद से भी बात कर रहा था कि मैंने बताया कि मैंने अभी एक मतलब काफी अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ डील क्रैक किया है जिनके बहुत लंबा प्रोजेक्ट है.
गुड.
और जस्ट विद इन 10 days.
वेरी गुड.
रिलेशनशिप डेवलप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
So
So
what are
वही-
your 3 tips about developing a relationship, since I know you are a very
पहले
good
तो ये है
connected
कि
worker.
अपने क्लाइंट्स से किसी भी मुद्दे पे बात करते रहिए, वो आपको भूलने न दे. मेरे व्हाट्सएप, मेरे मेल्स आप लोग के पास भी आते होंगे, तो वो सिर्फ वही नहीं है, बाकियों के पास भी जाते हैं मेल्स के थ्रू या बातचीत करके. रिलेशनशिप जरूर बनाए रखिए कि वो आपको भूले ना. दूसरी बात, नए के साथ भी बातचीत जरूर करते रहिए. फोन पे कहीं कोई लॉकडाउन नहीं है, वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. और जरूर आपको बिजनेस मिलेगा. जब किसी को नीड, देखिए ऐड आता रहता है, लेकिन जब जिसकी नीड होती है तब
तभी
खरीदता
करता है.
तो डेफिनेटली.
But people remember,
ईमानदारी
right?
की बात
ब्रांड रिकॉल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
ईमानदारी की बात बताऊं, मतलब इधर लॉकडाउन में मैंने 4 नई वेबसाइट बनाई है, जो कि वो हमारा प्राइमरी काम नहीं है, जबकि वो मेरा प्राइमरी काम नहीं है.
आप अपना प्राइमरी काम सबको बता दीजिए, कुछ लोग नए
हाँ
हैं, हम
प्लीज,
तो जानते हैं.
मैं भी जानना चाहती हूँ. मैं इतनी देर से पूछना चाह रही हूँ.
शिशिर, हम लोग जानते हैं, सब
See,
लोग नहीं जानते आपको. हाँ.
मैं शिशिर संस्कृति कंप्यूटर्स से. हम लोग कंप्यूटर्स की आईटी सेल्स एंड सर्विसेज और पूरा सपोर्ट करते हैं. कंप्यूटर्स में कुछ भी खरीदना हो, कंप्यूटर्स, लैपटॉप, डेस्कटॉप, प्रिंटर्स, वो काम करते हैं. उसके अलावा हमारा यूएसपी दैट इज ऑन साइट मेंटेनेंस है. अगर वैसे देखेंगे तो हम लोग करीब 150 प्लस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के थ्रू मेंटेनेंस करते हैं. उसके अलावा सीसीटीवी और सिक्योरिटी आइटम्स जितने भी होते हैं वो करते हैं. और उसके अलावा वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट करते हैं. वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट हमारी वाइफ करती हैं, मैं उसका मार्केटिंग पार्ट देखता हूँ. तो वो डेवलपमेंटल पार्ट वो करती हैं और बाकी तो टोटल आईटी सोल्यूशन कुछ भी अगर आप सोचते हैं वो हम लोग काम करते हैं.
Great. IT वाला
मैं
बहुत
एक और सपोर्ट और एक सजेशन के तौर पे बोलना चाहूंगा
बिल्कुल
कि जैसे लिंक्डइन लोकल का वेबसाइट अभी नया ही चालू हुआ है. अगर ये परमिट किया जाए और सबको शायद बोला जाए कि जैसे मेरी वेबसाइट है संस्कृति कंप्यूटर्स की, अगर मुझे ये परमिट किया जाए कि मैं प्राउड मेंबर ऑफ लिंक्डइन लोकल मैं लिखूं और उस पर से कोई अगर आए तो वो आपकी वेबसाइट पे भी जा सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो उससे आपकी भी बढ़ेगी, जो मेरी वेबसाइट पर आएगा वो आपकी वेबसाइट पे जा सकता है. और अगर आपकी वेबसाइट पे लिंक्डइन लोकल का है तो वो संस्कृति कंप्यूटर्स का भी एक लिंक होना चाहिए एक पेज पर, एक ही पेज पे जो मेंबर है वो मेरी वेबसाइट पर भी आ सके. तो इससे दोनों का बढ़ेगा बिजनेस. लेकिन इस पे
Then
पहले
we can
आप
always
सोच.
take this. हाँ, we'll talk about this one and then we'll take into account. वैसे मेंबर्स डायरेक्टरी जब आपकी होगी तो उसमें तो सारी वेबसाइट्स है ही हैं।
मेंबर्स डायरेक्टरी में
नहीं
सारी
है, नो
इंफॉर्मेशन
डाउट।
है।
जैसे
मुझे
मैं
member
आपका
directory
लोगो
मिली
अपने
नहीं।
वेबसाइट पे भी लगा सकूं कि लोकल लीलो कनेक्ट करके, लिंक्डइन लोकल कनेक्ट करके, तो कोई आए तो उसको समझ, जो पहले कभी मेंबर था या होना चाहता तो उसको समझ में तो आएगा कि हाँ यहाँ से, और वो बाकियों पे भी देखना चाहे तो वो कनेक्ट मिल जाएगा उससे उसको।
ग्रेट।
मैं दूसरे जिसमें मेंबर हूँ नेटवर्किंग ग्रुप में, मैंने कर रखा और मेरे पास वहां से नो डाउट इवन पूना और बॉम्बे से बिजनेस मिला है कि यार आप इस ग्रुप के मेंबर हो, मिलता है।
Absolutely. No, we are a community. It's a global community. Let's utilize it. Definitely. We'll look into it and पे बताती
हाँ,
हूँ,
इस
फिर
पे
मैं ग्रुप
देखिएगा,
में ही
अच्छा है
अपडेट
ये।
करती हूँ। हाँ, ग्रुप में ही अपडेट करती हूँ. What can we do about it? I'm sure everybody will benefit. So who goes next? Shoma? मैं रोल कॉल ले लेती हूँ.
बात तो चलिए.
Roll call. Yes, ma'am. I'm yours.
Sorry.
Yeah, hi everyone. I have been here, I think, pehle bhi, and I've met quite a few people, but some of you are definitely new. So I'll just introduce myself. I'm basically a calligrapher, and I also do handmade craft items I make. And I recently did a live session on upcycling for a kids channel, which is New Shuttle. And that lead was given to me by one of our Lilo members, by Shashwati, and she recommended, and I did the live session, and it was very successful, thankfully, and everybody really liked it.
I was there as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. And this is definitely new for me a little bit, definitely going on lives and doing things the online way. I am conducting classes online through Zoom. Thankfully Surabhi introduced me to it, and successfully my classes are running, so there is no as such for the classes I don't have a shortfall, but yes, for the handmade part where I create new things and used to sell and get clients, that part is definitely suffering. And I would ask all of you, if you are thinking of gifting somebody anything and on any occasion, please do contact me. The things that I make, it's not necessary that they have to be brand new. I can upcycle things for you, and definitely new things are available. They could be albums, they could be uh, 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 boxes, bangle boxes, or even any household item that you have. Everything can be recycled. Any small piece of furniture, big piece of furniture, anything. So all of that. Any kind of help that you need from me, please do contact me, and please do follow my work on Instagram. I'm still in the process of getting things sorted on FB as a page, so that is still in process. So on FB, I do have considerable work there on my handle. So please do follow that, so that you get a glimpse of whatever I've been doing, and then whatever your requirement is, you can always contact me.
Absolutely. I think I already like the page, but do share the page link with everybody else.
Yeah, sure, I will do that. I'll
In
do that.
fact, anybody, I'm sorry, Shishir, I also forgot to ask you, is there anything we can do to help you apart from the website thing you mentioned? Because I just realized.
अभी मैं एक इंसिडेंस बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि अभी मैंने अपना एक मैसेज शेयर किया था, तो वो मैसेज जो मेंबर्स थे उन्होंने अपने एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर किया, स्टडी हॉल के टीचर्स के ग्रुप पे। यू कांट बिलीव कि मुझे लगता है स्टडी हॉल में 100 टीचर्स होंगे, समवेयर अराउंड 15 टीचर्स का मेरा कनेक्शन बन चुका है इस वक्त, 15 जिनका कुछ ना कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट थी आईटी से रिलेटेड। तो उस तरह का अगर कुछ हमारे मैसेजेस को शेयर कर देंगे तो अपने आप निकल आता है।
Okay. हाँ, तो शेयर तो हम लोग, I think we are all ready to do it. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So who goes next? Sanjay, Vinod, Rachita, Anita,
विनोद त्रिपाठी जी।
Dina. आप लोग रह गए हैं, हर्षिता है, त्रिलिका एंड स्वप्निल, ऑफ कोर्स। थोड़ा सा जल्दी करना पड़ेगा, वरना बैठे रहेंगे हम लोग आराम से। Who goes? विनोद, आप भी बोल दीजिए.
हाँ जी, तो नए लोगों के लिए भाई, मेरा नाम विनोद शंकर त्रिपाठी है और मैं अपनी एक आईटी ट्रेनिंग की कंपनी चलाता हूँ यहाँ अलीगंज में पुरनिया चौराहे पे. और हमने तो खैर एक भी दिन बंद नहीं किया अपना, सारी चीज़ें हमारी ऑनलाइन चल रही हैं. ये है कि बच्चे क्योंकि रिमोट में हैं काफ़ी, तो इवन रिमोट का छोड़िए, लखनऊ में भी बहुत दिक्कत होती है कवरेज की. तो जो रिमोट में है वहाँ तो दिक्कत है ही है, लेकिन स्टिल हमारा सारी चीज़ें चल रही है. इनफैक्ट इस लॉकडाउन में एक चीज़ अच्छा हुआ कि हम पहले ऑफलाइन में ही चल रहे थे, अभी हम ऑनलाइन में शिफ्ट कर गए हैं काफ़ी कुछ. तो और उसमें काफ़ी एडमिशन्स भी हो रहे हैं इवन इस क्योंकि बच्चे घर में बैठे हुए हैं तो वो कुछ ना कुछ ले भी रहे हैं, कर भी रहे हैं. यहाँ तक स्टाफ का है, मैंने कोई भी स्टाफ रिमूव नहीं किया, मेरे सारे स्टाफ मेरे साथ इंटैक्ट हैं और उनको सैलरी भी वैसे ही मिल रही है, कहीं कोई चीज़ नहीं. हाँ ये है कि काम घर पे बैठ के काम करना सभी के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल है. हाँ, तो उन लोगों को भी चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, इनफैक्ट खुद को भी चैलेंज आ रहा है घर पे बैठ के लगातार काम करना. लेकिन ये नया नॉर्म है ही है कि करना ही करना है आगे भी चल के. और अच्छा इससे एक चीज ये हो गया, ट्रेवलिंग थोड़ी कम हो गई. मुझे लगता है बहुत लोगों के पास जब जाना है, मिलना है, तो वो दिक्कत लगती थी यार इतनी दूर जाना है अभी, और पता नहीं फिर अगला बंदा मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसे बातचीत करो, तुरंत जूम पे कनेक्ट करो, अपना शुरू हो जाओ. तो ये एक बहुत अच्छी चीज हर किसी के लिए मेरे ख्याल से ये एक नया वो निकला है. अदरवाइज पहले ऑप्शन तो था, लेकिन केवल ऑफिशियल पर्पस के लिए
कन्विंस नहीं होता था.
हाँ,
नहीं आ जाइए, बात कर लीजिए ऑफिस में. आप ही आइएगा, खुद ही आइएगा.
तो अभी इसमें ये एक बहुत अच्छा हुआ है कि इसके लिए हर कोई रेडी हो गया है, एक एक्सेप्टेंस आ गया लोगों में इस चीज के लिए.
एंड रियलाइजेशन इज वेल कि कितना टाइम सेविंग है और काम उतना ही आराम से हो जा रहा है.
उतने ही आराम से हो रहा है, घर बैठे अपने हिसाब से हर कोई कर रहा है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा रहा है.
हाउ कैन वी हेल्प यू?
अगेन मुझे तो स्टूडेंट्स ही चाहिए होते हैं ज़्यादातर. तो जितने भी, अगर आप किसी भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में, किसी डिग्री कॉलेज में, किसी इंटर कॉलेज में लोगों को जानते हैं, प्रिंसिपल को जानते हैं, टीचर को जानते हैं, जिस किसी को भी जानते हैं, तो उनसे हमारा कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. तो दैट इज, क्योंकि बच्चे भी समर वेकेशन वगैरह स्टार्ट हो रही, तो बहुत से बच्चे कुछ न कुछ, और क्योंकि अभी बच्चों के क्लासेस तो चल रहे हैं, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफली मुझे लगता है 2-3 दिन बाद बंद हो जाएंगे.
एंड ऑफ मई सबके बंद.
हाँ, सबके बंद हो जाएंगे. तो उसके बाद बच्चे कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो हम उस तरह के कोर्सेज करा सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा बता दें, हमारे पास जो कोर्सेज हैं वो आजकल बच्चे जो बहुत ज़्यादा करने में इंटरेस्टेड रहते हैं, तो एक एथिकल हैकिंग का है जो बहुत करना पसंद करते हैं लोग. हाँ, सर्वर्स के कोर्सेज हैं जो लोग करना पसंद करते हैं,
डिमांड भी हाई है.
डेटा साइंस का है वो करना पसंद करते हैं. तो इस तरह के जो भी छोटे छोटे कोर्सेज अगर बच्चे करना चाहते हैं तो वो है. तो मेरे लिए तो मतलब स्टूडेंट ही है जो कुछ है, तो जहाँ कहीं से भी कनेक्ट हो सकता है. तो और हर कोई कहीं ना कहीं. हाँ जी,
मेरी वाइफ बीबीडी में है, यूनिवर्सिटी में. सो अगर आप एक छोटा सा मैसेज टाइप करके दे दे तो मैं उनके ग्रुप में उनको बोलूंगा, वो शेयर जरूर कर देंगे. एंड वो शी इज कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट में फैकल्टी हैं.
अच्छा.
बिलीव जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स आपको चाहिए होंगे यूनिवर्सिटी से, यूनिवर्सिटी नमिता श्रीवास्तव.
अच्छा, ठीक है, मैं आपको भेज दूंगा.
तो शी इज असिस्टेंट टू अपने डीन सर के. तो शी माइट हेल्प यू. जितने भी उनके शायद 4-5 बीबीडी के 4-5 कॉलेजेस हैं, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2-3 हजार स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनके बीच में फ्लोट जरूर कर सकते हैं.
अभी इनफैक्ट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज वालों को बहुत से बच्चों को समर ट्रेनिंग वगैरह में भी कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं.
हाँ, यही टाइम है शायद. डेफिनेटली मैं आपका वो एक मैसेज बस अगर आप मुझे टाइप करके दे दें, सो दैट आई कैन
मैं आपको डेफिनेटली भेजता हूँ. किसी को कुछ पूछना हो?
आपका ऑफिस तो अलीगंज में ही है गिरीश?
हाँ, बताइए.
आपका ऑफिस तो अलीगंज में ही है ना?
सर अभी तक तो अलीगंज में ही है, लेकिन लॉकडाउन के बाद सोच रहे हैं कि गोमती नगर शिफ्ट होने का, वहां पे चकाचौंध देख के मजा आ जाता है. बट या अभी अलीगंज में है. बट एक पार्श्वनाथ प्लैनेट है गोमती नगर में, इन द लाइन ऑफ डीकैथलॉन. तो वहां पे एक ने कहा है साथ में ऑफिस खोलने का. मेरे पास थोड़े ज्यादा हैं. वी आर लाइक 15 डेवलपर्स, टीम ऑफ 15 डेवलपर्स, तो उन्होंने कहा चलो साथ में ऑफिस खोल लेते हैं। बट अभी ऐसा कुछ इमीडिएट प्लान तो नहीं है, बट यस इन फ्यूचर में अलीगंज से शिफ्ट होके गोमती नगर करने का प्लान।
मेरे ऑफिस हम देख सकते हैं अगर आपको कोवर्किंग करना चाहे तो।
He's got a huge office.
कोवर्किंग बहुत अच्छा रहता है इनफैक्ट।
I don't
कहाँ
think
पे
so
है
you
आपका
should call
शॉप?
it co-working.
जस्ट मिठाई वाले चौराहे पे ही है, मेन रोड पे ही है।
अच्छा। डेफिनेटली
मिठाई
कनेक्ट
वाले
करते हैं,
चौराहे
आपको
से
मैं
किधर है
मैसेज
आपका?
करता हूँ।
ये मेट्रो हॉस्पिटल है जो, मेट्रो हॉस्पिटल उसी के जस्ट
मेट्रो
ऑपोजिट,
हॉस्पिटल देखा है,
उसके
बाएं
जस्ट
तरफ।
ऑपोजिट सामने तरफ। शमसी का
अच्छा,
जो
वो
आपने देखा है
जो एक हाँ शमसी संत देखा
है
उसके
ना,
ऊपर।
नहीं उसी के ही मतलब आगे ही है, मेन रोड पे ही है।
उसी बिल्डिंग में ना?
नहीं उसके बगल में बिल्डिंग।
अच्छा, नहीं उसके बगल में एक हॉस्पिटल है।
हाँ उसी
SRMS है। हाँ
उसी के बगल
SRMS
में है। हाँ, उसी के बगल में
Diagnostic
है।
Center उसके पास।
Right. Great.
Yeah, Isha is to leave. Bye, Isha. Okay. So who else is left now? Sorry, संजय जी बहुत देर से हैं आप।
अभी मैं बस now let me start. Let me introduce myself.
Yes.
Hi everyone. I am Sanjay Arora, father of a daughter and one Labra, husband of a superwoman. Initially a corporate person, now turned into a wellness industry. Since last 5 years. Now I am a wellness expert. In fact, making people healthier and happier. And you can connect me on my social media. My links are there in the chat. I have written down all in the chat. And this lockdown time is really, I should say, fortunately beneficial for us, for the wellness industry, in fact, because everybody is aware for their wellness, and we don't have to convince too much. Earlier it was like online, it was all offline. Physically we have to go to people and give the presentation and all, sampling and all things were done. But now, because of this health situation, everybody is knowing about the wellness situation, like immunity, what is the immunity and how can we immune ourselves. So what nutritions are required, what diets are really to take. So it is good for us. In fact, wellness industry, our business is grown up.
आपको हमारी हेल्प नहीं चाहिए, आप हम लोग को इम्यून करिए बस।
It is not like that. I just wanted to tell, because everybody is telling about this Corona time. So everybody is like digital industries also have some kind of benefit in this Corona field. तो उसी तरह से कोरोना की सिचुएशन अच्छी है, मतलब हम लोग के लिए तो ठीक बेनिफिशियल ही है, क्योंकि अब सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो गया। एवरीबॉडी इज इन टच, सब टच में है अपने। और पहले तो फिजिकली जाना पड़ता था, तो उसमें टाइम लगता था और सब बातें होती थी। अब तो ऑल इंडिया, इनफैक्ट आई एम राइट नाउ आई एम हैंडलिंग अराउंड 250 पीपल पैन इंडिया।
Great.
And providing consultation online and giving them presentation online, Zoom meetings and webinars, everything is there. A lot of things are happening, whole day busy with meetings and all. And supply also is online, and delivery is also there, because it comes in essential items, so delivery is not a problem. So जो पोस्ट ऑफिस से भी डिलीवरी हो रही है और अपने Zoom Zomato वाले भी डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, that is not like any problem. So delivery is also there, home deliveries are there, everything is there.
So how can you help us?
Anything, like if you need any kind of consultation or any kind of like suggestions.
I would love to have that kind of energy you have, because you're always so energetic. I think you can all teach us how to be so energetic.
Yes, definitely. All depends upon the nutrition, what you are taking, what you are eating. It is all lifestyle. That's it. All lifestyle.
Okay,
so that's me.
Yeah.
So my all links are there in the chat.
You put it on chat.
You should also all put your links on the chat.
Put it on, we'll put it again on the. I'll ask everybody to do that. I mean, now we have we'll do one thing. This one.
So we can connect to each other. In fact, at least
absolutely.
You should know at least.
So I just have to kind of cut you because Rachita has to leave, so she's requested if she can go next.
Yeah, please.
Sorry guys, have to just rush a little. There's some important work which has come up. It was not actually planned, but then just got a message. So as most of you know that I'm into HR and specifically into recruitment. So I do a lot of corporate recruitments. And again, I specialize in startup recruitment. I do a lot of manpower services for startups. So how LinkedIn can help me as a community is, first of all, just in case if you have any manpower requirement, I'm always there to help. We've also started during this COVID times, we've also started outplacement services where these companies that are laying off badly, we are trying to assist those companies by placing their candidates in relevant company. Actually not placing them, we cannot guarantee any placement. However, trying and providing them with some relevant options, getting at least some interviews done or, things like that. So outplacement services, that is what I've started. So this is something new. And plus of course recruitment. So on the flip side, so when it started, it looked the situation looked very grim, as in all recruitments had come to a halt. Everywhere there's been layoff, and the companies like the companies that I was working for, in fact, instead of hiring, they all went on layoff and things like that. However, on the flip side, now I'm coming across companies which have the .NET companies which have started recruiting, IT companies which are again back to getting their projects, especially from healthcare and US healthcare, etc. So they've started big time recruitment. So yes, every bad situation I think comes up with a silver lining. So that is what I'm looking for. And as a community, as I said, if you ever have any, or probably if you can refer me, if you know somebody who's looking for manpower, if you can refer, I could be of help to them.
Right. And I've taken a lot of help from Rachita recently.
No, in fact, it's the other way around. I don't know. She's being very modest, like, always. But Surbhi she genuinely represents, I think, networking. I think I'm learning all these things, how to network, how to associate, collaborate. And she's been a great help for me. Apart from this collaboration, so when I talk to her on, maybe that 5-10 minutes of chit chat that I have with her, I'm actually it's going to be very annoying for Surbhi, but trust me, I recommend it for everybody, that 5-10 minutes of chit chat, if you have with her, you really feel good about it. The situation actually.
Thank you for the tips.
Actually,
Really.
so I'm sorry,
Rachita.
Surbhi. Yeah, I'm sorry, Surbhi. I am actually going to be, there are going to be not many people calling you, but that helps. I'm actually telling you.
I don't know whether to.
You go like a crybaby. You go like a crybaby in front of her कि सुरभि ये नहीं हो रहा है या कैसे, then she मैं एक suggestion दूँ तुम ऐसे करो ये करो, and it really actually that's right, I can do that.
Thank you. That's
So it
the
helps.
nicest compliment anybody has given me. That's so sweet of you.
Thank you so much, and Swapnil, thank you for the website. I can understand वो कैसे हम लोग मतलब कैसे ये कैसे होगा वो कैसे होगा. It was,
I know.
So day one, Surbhi is working on this. I know.
Definitely उन्हीं का सब
I
vision
swear,
है.
उसका vision है, exactly. That's her vision. 100%.
And Rachita, she's available all time. आप रात में 11:30 भी call करोगे ना तो she's
Yes.
What a sad life.
11:30 नहीं. Ritika, to be honest, I've extended my work hours. Now I'm available till 2 o'clock. So anytime before 2 o'clock, my services are there.
Lockdown में actually working hours बढ़ गए हैं.
बढ़ गए. Morning 8 o'clock to night 2 o'clock. I'm available.
Flexible. Yeah, but Rachita,
All right, guys.
I think so. We all agree. Thank you so much. We all are.
It
Surbhi
was
actually.
always nice. Yeah, Surbhi actually, kudos to her. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. All right, bye. And I'm sorry I have to rush a little. There's something
okay.
important. I'll maybe catch up next.
So we'll try to wind up it in the next 15 minutes as well. But Veena, I think you were raising your hands, and I'm sorry I missed you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye, Rachita. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Rachita.
Bye bye. Bye, Ritika.
Bye.
So, good evening all. I'm Veena from Versatile Scholars. My school actually is for the special children. We have HI children, VI children, autistic children, and learning disabilities. And we come up with a school with all recycled things. Like our school building is made from plastic bottles, bamboos, and different textures for enabling better learning for the children. But as you know, the schools are suffering a lot. And I'm worried for my students because normal children take a setback. They have online classes. And for us, it becomes a bit difficult task, you know. Parents have to be with them. So we keep on designing. We have a YouTube channel where you can see we give sensory chapters, then hand-eye exercises. So if you could spread the message to the community that if the children has some, you know, if you find a child, give him opportunities to become independent, and learning life skills is the best way because education cannot take them long way. There are limitations to education. We have CP children also. So best way is to spread the message that let the children enjoy things, learn life skills. They can visit our centers, but during lockdown we are giving online classes, and like we specialize in QMath, memory training, mind mapping, learning skills, and creative writing also. We provide 10 on 10 abacus and Vedic math classes also to the children. So recently we have started the versatile art and craft and drawing classes also. So if anybody you feel like these children where they need the help, because there are very limited choices for the special children. Normal children can even access YouTube and get through it. And we also help these children, you know, to earn their life. Like if they have learned tabla, we have employed that with the colony mandali, where, you know, they have weekly kirtan mandali. So these children go and they play tabla in that, or dholak, and we have opened their accounts because though the amount is very small for them, but financial stability and encouraging them to continue with the skill, whatever they learn. And we have employed some children in the shops in Dandaiya where they, you know, kapde dikhate hain dukandar, uske baad tahana hota hai. They need to keep the shop proper. So दुकानदार अगर वो help करते हैं for us, the child if he has learned how to, you know, fold the clothes at home, how many clothes will he fold and what will he earn? Everyone likes appreciating. So we recruit these children over there. We have some grocery shops also where they pack weight के हिसाब से छोटे छोटे pack बनाना, and they earn 40 rupees, 50 rupees per hour, or if the work is towards the higher side, then they get around 80 to 100 rupees. And that gives them, you know, this Diwali, when two of the children purchase bicycle from their own money, I could see the joy on their face. And हम अपनी गाड़ी भी उतनी साफ नहीं करते होंगे जितनी वो लोग अपनी साइकिल को चमका के रखते हैं. Like, you know, I'm going to my work and teaching them that road sense, you know, following the map, pointers and marking, going to the shop and being appreciated. Everybody loves appreciation. So I would suggest that you just help me with spreading the message of the school. Telling
Veena has been helping my son as well. So that is also which I've taken help. I kind of encash on you all. See, now you know the trick.
And अगर आपके यहाँ गत्ते प्लास्टिक के bottles आती हैं, like Aditi read my message on this group, Lilo group, and she has been very nice, and we have come up with a sensory garden for these children. We have used these plastic bottles to develop a sensory garden for them. So अगर आपके यहाँ गत्ते आते हैं, जूते के डिब्बे आते हैं जो आपके लिए वेस्ट है, तो आप प्लीज वो मुझे हमें कॉल कीजिए and we'll come and collect it. And you can see on our website, like we have designed a lot of things from these using cardboards where these children do it.
Sure. I just because of interest of time, can we just quickly move on to the next person? And of course, the group is always there for a thing. But I'm sorry, हम लोग ने शुरू में ज़्यादा time ले लिया, हम end में थोड़ा सा जल्दी कर रहे हैं. Harshita, you want to go next?
Yes.
I'm just trying to see the Anita, Harshita, and Ritika. You all are there, no?
Right.
Yeah.
So I'll make it very quick. My name is Harshita. Most of you know me, but some new faces again. So I am basically, I can relate to Anwar here, the way he introduced himself. I am also a ex-telco for 15 years, telecom employee. I was there and all the, telecom operators, you name it, I was there. And my last organization was Vodafone. I left my job in 2017 and then I started my own organization. And currently I'm running a design agency basically. I would not say a digital agency, it's a design because I'm into designing. So I provide graphic designing services as well as web designing. So it is basically about the UI. Specifically we talk about, and when I say graphic designs, it includes all kind of designing work. When you talk about also for example packaging, I do graphics for packaging as well, posters, magazine covers, hoardings, you name it, and we design it. Other than that, since my core work when I was in telecom was basically training. I led the training department for the company. So I do a lot of behavior specific training programs as well. During COVID, मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा impact नहीं आया because I have been working from my home earlier also, and I have freelancers who work with me. So घर पे रह के काम करने वाला जो एक थोड़ा सा वो था चैलेंज कुछ लोगों को हुआ था जिनको नहीं आदत थी, वो मेरे को नहीं हुई because I was like doing it like that only. And work wise it is like some certain things are good, like a lot of my clients who are not like obviously the store is not open, they are not selling, but now they are more focused on on the next product launch. तो मेरे को packaging design के सारे projects अब इन्हीं दिनों में पूरे करने जितने दिन lockdown चल रहा है. So that's how the work wise things are quite stable that ways. But yes, I do miss face-to-face meetings because I'm a little social person that ways. Virtually is good, we can see each other, but I'm little I like talking over a cup of coffee like Survi knows. So I miss those kind of small little things. Rest things are like moving on fine. Having.
Is there anything we can do to help you, Harshita?
Yes,
I mean,
not very much. अभी जैसे for the timing एक चीज अच्छी हुई कि I was not able to focus on my social media handles specifically, and my work is basically all visuals. When you see my design only, then you will be knowing that what I'm good at. So मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रही थी अपना इंस्टा हैंडल अपडेट करने की, मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी. तो एक चीज ये जरूर अच्छी हुई है इस टाइम पे. I actually led my whole plan that how I want my Insta page to be, what kind of theme I really want to be there, what color palette I would choose, and all those kind of stuff. And I worked it out, and then now I am like rigorously managing my Insta handle. It's by the name of Spera Solutions. Yes, Spera Designs. So I'll post it on the group also. See my work, like, share, recommend. That's what I would definitely ask from.
And it's a very beautiful Insta page.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Great. Okay. Moving on. Anita, you want to go next?
Hi everyone, I am Anita. मैं एक हाउस वाइफ हूँ और मैं घर से बच्चों के हॉबी क्लासेस भी लेती हूँ. तो मेरा तो पहले भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम था और अभी भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम है. लेकिन टफ टाइम तो है ही है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ एक गोल्डन पीरियड भी है मुझे तो लगता है, क्योंकि बच्चे इतना रिलैक्स हैं और वो उनकी भी जो टैलेंट है वो अब ज्यादा निकल के आ रहा है बाहर. क्योंकि वो जब स्कूल होते थे तो वो उतना टाइम नहीं दे पाते थे, क्योंकि पूरा टाइम तो उनका पढ़ाई में निकल जाता था, फिर कोचिंग, ट्यूशंस. तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे बच्चों में मैं ज्यादा वो उनके साथ रहती हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि उनको समझ पाना बहुत इजी है. तो वो रिलैक्स है, मेंटली रिलैक्स है, तो वो उनके टैलेंट्स निकल के आ रहे हैं, तो वो और नई नई चीजें कर पा रहे हैं. और लॉकडाउन और ये सब जो चल रहा है, ठीक है, जैसा कि सभी के साथ है कि बहुत टफ है, बिजनेस पे इफेक्ट आया है, लेकिन इतनी टफ सिचुएशंस में भी लोगों ने उनको इतना अच्छे से हैंडल किया है और बहुत सी नए नए आइडियाज आए हैं, नए नए बिजनेस लोगों ने शुरू कर दिए हैं. जब इतनी टफ सिचुएशंस में वो इतना कुछ कर सकते हैं लोग, तो अब तो चीजें और इजी होंगी धीरे धीरे. तो आई होप ये सब अच्छा होगा.
Anything we can do to help?
Always need your moral support.
Always there.
Thank you so much.
Great. Swapnil, you want to go next and talk about the website? And I think Ritika, then I missed out.
हैं अभी
And Surangma has just joined. So Swapnil,
मैं जाऊँ?
आप हो या रितिका, दोनों में से आप लोग डिसाइड करो।
रितिका आप बोल लीजिए तो पहले।
Okay. ठीक है स्वप्निल. So hi
Ladies
everyone.
first. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi everyone. So professionally, I'm an HR professional with overall 4 years of experience. Initially, I was with Infosys as HR business partner, and currently I'm working with Lakme Liver, which comes under Hindustan Unilever, and I'm heading UP and Bihar as a regional HR head for them. So COVID has been extremely busy for all of us, especially the HR professionals, because there have been a lot of trainings, etc., that are being designed to keep the employees engaged. And the organizations, I mean, every organization that I'm talking to, all my friends, all of them are really busy in keeping the employees engaged, especially virtually. That was a very big challenge initially, but I think people are now becoming used to with the new style of working, and even after easing out the regulations, a lot of companies are still looking out that they'll be starting with only 20 to 30% of their workforce coming back, that too on priority basis. So let's see how things turn out for us, but super busy for all of us.
Sure. I mean, Lakme is doing a lot of things. I saw the post.
Yeah.
The kind of
Yeah, they are very active.
wow. I mean, amazing. I was amazed. I saw the social media post. So that's great. Anything we can do, Ritika? I mean, I know your role is very different thing. Apart from giving you a lot of moral support, don't work so hard.
Give me that. Give me Naukri if you have.
रचिता चली गई, उसके सामने बोलना चाहिए था.
I am happy here. There's, I mean, a lot of learning in this organization.
Yeah.
अभी तो I'm happy.
Right. Sorry, मैं बहुत comfortably floor पे बैठी हूँ, so I'm a little tired now. But
Yeah,
I'm so sorry. I know I've been working all day, so it's like something. I think Surangma, you're there, and Swapnil after that.
Surabhi, I've been
People are
getting the
leaving.
call back to back. I think I'll have to drop off. ठीक है,
स्वप्निल का
शायद.
कोई नहीं सुनेगा तो फिर क्या फायदा.
अच्छा, आप स्वप्निल प्लीज बोल लो. आप
मेरा तो काम जिस्ट हो ही गया. हम लोग का तो मेन वेबसाइट का था. सो लाइक प्लीज वेबसाइट पे जाइए, इसको थोड़ा यूज करिए. अगर कोई इश्यूज आते हैं तो उसे आप बता दीजिएगा. और हम लोग ने चाहा है कि बहुत डिटेल मेंबर्स डायरेक्टरी बन जाए, जिसमें मेंबर्स एक दूसरे को सर्च कर लें एंड ऐड कर लें. तो बट उसके अलावा कोई भी अगर ऐसा सजेशन है तो देन ऑफ कोर्स वी नो वी कैन लुक इनटू इट. एंड डिजिटल में कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए किसी भी तरीके के, हैंड डिज़ाइन एज वेल, तो me and my team are working, so you can always approach. That's it. And
sorry.
हाँ, बस ये कहना था कि जो भी है, जैसे काफ़ी लोगों ने मेंशन किया कि थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट सभी के लिए है, एंड थोड़ा सा एम्पैथाइज होकर सबसे बस कनेक्शन मेंटेन करना है. कहीं पे भी आपकी ओवरहेड्स पे कॉस्ट, अपने ऊपर कॉस्ट्स आ रहे हैं, तो वो चीज़ आप अपफ्रंट होके बता सकते हैं अपने क्लाइंट को. बट कोई भी आप सर्विस रिलेटेड चीज़ें हैं तो आप थोड़ा सा उसमें ऊपर नीचे करके, बट जस्ट कीप वर्किंग एंड मेकिंग कॉन्टैक्ट विद योर क्लाइंट, क्योंकि जैसी चीज़ें ठीक होंगी दे विल कम बैक टू यू. तो हमारे पास, तो मैंने पहले लास्ट बार भी बोला था, ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने काम लास्ट ईयर किसी रीज़न से पॉज कर दिया था, बट वो क्योंकि उनसे एक अच्छा कनेक्शन बना था तो वो वापस आए हैं. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप डोंट जस्ट drop any client because they're not able to pay. उनको समझिए, and just try to help them in any way you can.
Surangma, you look tired after your session. How was your session?
Hi all. First of all, मैंने उम्मीद नहीं की थी 2 घंटा चलेगा. So it went too long because we were using some other app and we had so much of technical issue initially. So
That's
we
my
had
answer. That's why I use Zoom.
we had large number when it started, and by the
Yeah.
end it started dropping like anything. So we had to wind up. But yeah, it went
Great.
good. So probably I'll share the
Yeah, do that, please.
recorded version. All right. So I joined really very late. So I think I am losing on what exactly is happening here. But all I could see that yes, we all are sharing our experiences.
So we are introducing ourselves
And,
and how can we help each other. That's all we do. And we took
so
1.5 ghanta in this.
second part I'll take later. First part I'll take later. But coming to the second point, LinkedIn लोकल ऐसी जगह है जो हर किसी को हेल्प कर सकती है. B2B की सुबह की ब्रेड अंडे कहाँ मिलेंगे से लेकर के वेबसाइट कौन बनाएगा. And Swapnil, first of all, congratulations. I really loved the work you have done, and it was really good. And about us again, for a lawyer, situation is every day. It's same. It's similar. Cases clients आ रहे हैं, query करके चले जा रहे हैं because they also know.
कोर्ट्स कब से खुल रहे हैं और मैरिज रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे होगा?
So far courts का तो अभी ये है कि we are following this virtual hearing concept, and but the only issue which we are facing right now is court is taking up only matters which are very urgent, and there is no settled law that talks about what comes under the definition of urgency. So it's up to the judiciary. What is urgent, and every day we are getting to know that some or the other day, probably from the month of June, they're going to be proper hearing, proper virtual hearing process with procedures with other courts as well, like tribunals and all. So let's see how it turns out to be. But the good thing about this lockdown is I am able to give more time to my corporate clients, and I'm able to be a good advisor now. Like I'm able to give time to this. While I was litigating and regular court days, I was able to emphasize more on visits, but abhi I'm able to give this virtual or I would say online consultation and all. So which is okay, it's going well. I'm at least able to brush up my legal understandings, if nothing
and
else.
deal with corporate clients as well. I mean, that's a new learning for me.
That's a new learning, and that's interesting because meeting clients, those who have committed murder is a different thing, and meeting clients on other hand is a different thing. So it's fun. It's fun to learn with.
We are live on Facebook, so please don't take any names.
So Rangma,
I'm lawyer. I face all type of clients.
I have a question. So are divorce cases increasing or not? Queries. Are divorce cases increasing or not? Queries.
I usually get consultation calls for this, and I have realized that during this lockdown, after this lockdown, किसी का चले ना चले family lawyers की दुकान बहुत अच्छी चल रही है.
लोगों की आदत ही नहीं थी इतना टाइम साथ में स्पेंड करने की.
I mean, I am just out of my session with Posh, so I am amazed to see a lot of people there asking about how Posh is in current, like whether this online work or work from home comes under the definition of workplace. So this is really good. People are seeking consultation or such kind of things, and this is something new. So I mean, चाहे मैं करूँ, चाहे 50 years of experience वाले lawyer करें, सबको ये चीज नई सीखने को मिल रही है, and this is good.
But that's a valid question.
That's a valid question, and that's really good. So,
Mitushi, you just joined, I think, and people are leaving now. We're almost coming to the end.
Yeah, I was in a.
That's okay. It's okay.
I finished a workshop, so I just joined in. I thought let me
Right.
join in either for 5 minutes also.
Yeah. So we're just ending the call now, and I think most of the people have left, so I'll put it on the group again. I think I'll just have to wind up now because it's 6:30 now, and it's the idea today was like yes, LinkedIn Local. Obviously, we were waiting for the website as well. My only request to all of you is we need some new members. I need some money for the funds. Swapnil will chase me out. So, and there are other expenses as well. So it will be very, very kind if you can refer people. And the membership is only 2,500 for the entire year. And as you have seen, we are doing a lot of virtual sessions anyways. So that's my only request to all of you. And yes, I mean, my own work is going. So anything you think, who know me, you can always take my help. I'm an independent consultant for IT solutions, and I have a lot of knowledge about a lot. I don't know about a lot, but e-learning. तो हर्षिता मुझे 2 साल से सिखा रही है, लेकिन मैं आज भी अपना इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं दे पाती हूँ. So that's the only thing. So I'm going to end now because I was planned for an hour, but I think it was just so nice to talk to all of you.
This reminds
So-
me of that post in which I tagged you.
Which one?
End all
Yeah.
option.
Yeah,
for
I know.
everybody to leave.
Yeah, exactly. How do you end? And yesterday I read what the most awkward pause is when you say goodbye to everyone and try to figure out how can you leave the session because it takes 2 seconds to realize कि leave end button कहाँ है. So I think yeah, but then it was very good to connect, and of course we wanted to talk more about the website, but I think indirectly हम लोगों ने बात कर ली है. But we are all connected on the WhatsApp group, and we'll see what we can plan. If not next week, then week after. So I don't know about weekly, but twice in a month, so we can always meet. Because everybody is now very busy with their work. Yes,
Surabhi,
yes,
one
yes.
request.
Yes,
If you
always.
can do these connects on Saturdays or Sundays, please.
Today,
Because
Sunday.
I am not able to join on any weekdays. मैं वो देख भी
I
नहीं पाती
can't. I mean, thank God मुझे थोड़ा सा काम अब मिल गया है, तो मैं भी 6 दिन नहीं free रहती हूँ. In fact, I was working because working privately means आप Sunday का मतलब नहीं होता है. So actually for that reason, I cannot do weekday anymore.
चलो, lovely.
So
Good news
it
for
will
me.
happen. It will happen only on Sunday because that's the only
That's
day.
better.
So
Very
Suits,
good.
I think, all
and
of
I
us.
think everybody has
Suits all of
returned
us.
to work as well.
Yeah, suits all of us.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice connecting. And
Bye-bye.
thank you once again,
Bye.
Swapnil.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
I found the leave button.
Yay! I found the end button.